equipment, apparatus, materials, and instrument used in question document examination. So the first one is the stereoscopic microscope, a kind of microscope instrument which gives a three-dimensional enlargement of objects. Uses it covers 90 defects in stroke, structures, and typewritings. Discovers overlapping of line. Detects uneven distribution of ink. Projects overwriting. Determines an ink line crossing a fold. Detects fraudulent addition and interlineation. Discovers erasures and pencil outline of forged signature. Shadowgraph. Shadowgraph is a machine which enlarges minute details as much as 20 times. Use of this is to facilitate examination of handwriting. Next is the camera. It consists of a tight box designed to hold the photographic film. It is equipped with a lens system by which the image is found on the film, and shutter device by which desired light is emitted to expose the film. The use of this is all the detailed characteristic of handwriting can be clearly interpreted. Accurate reproduction may afford unlimited opportunities for a strong comparison chart. Next is the indirect lighting equipment, an equipment with controlled illumination. The document is viewed with the source of illuminations behind it and the light coming through the paper. So the use of this is for intended writing, deciphering of letters and words, examination of erased entries, or shows fluorescence quality when viewing watermarks. Number 5. Ultraviolet lamp machine, an equipment which creates ultraviolet radiation that occurs in the wavelength just below the visible blue, violet, and spectrum. These invisible rays react in some instances so that visible light is reflected. The phenomena is known as fluorescence. So the uses of this machine is to detect erasure, reveals difference between genuine and counterfeited bills, strip, stamps, labels in merchandise, and the like. 6. Paper thickness gauge. So these materials is used in measuring the thickness of a paper. Number 7. Hand lens, a convenience instrument which aids examinations of almost at it enlarge the size of the letter of the character. Number 8. Type of measuring plate, an instrument used to measure the number of characters and or letters in typewriter. Type angle measuring plate, an instrument which measures the angle or degree of horizontal alignment in typewriter. So the last one is the other equipment, apparatus, materials, and or instrument that helps in the examination of QDs.